In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Keeper wallet or account. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to download the Keeper app on your device. You can find the app on Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Now, once you have the app installed on your device, click on the Create New Wallet button. And here, go ahead and create a new passcode for your wallet. You'll need to create a passcode for added security. You'll need to confirm the passcode to proceed. Once you're done with this, you'll get redirected to the homepage of Keeper. Keeper is a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet specifically designed for the Ton or the Open Network blockchain. It allows users to securely store, send, and receive Coin and other tokens on the Ton network. It is designed to simplify interaction with the Ton ecosystem, making it easy for users to manage their digital assets and participate in the network's activities.